guys, just been doing some electrical work on the old cruiser. Had a couple of questions from a few people, and it's kind of got me thinking maybe I should just do a bit of an episode on it. Being that a lot of people are taking off on holidays, not really thinking about where they're going, and getting to the spot and having to pay or not be able to get into a campsite or caravan park or something like that. We don't really seem to have that issue when we go away, even in school holidays and Christmas holidays, all those kind of big breaks that come up. I've given you 4, which I'm going to show you. You may have been there, you may know about them, but some people don't. As I said, I just keep getting asked, social media, friends, family phoning me up. So, keep watching on, and I hope it helps you guys out, because, they're our go-to places, and we don't seem to have the dramas. Alright guys, you do it. reckon you visit those places? Not too bad. Just bear in mind that Emu Creek one, people say it has been closed for a while. It has. But if you approach the owners there, you'll come to a little farmhouse there, just knock on the door or just shout out and say, "Right to go camp," and they'll just give you the old thumbs up. Good to go. Very nice people. So, yeah, country folk are more accommodating than city folk usually. But, yeah, give it a go. If you want any more, yeah, comment, let us know. Because that's what we're here for, you know, give you guys the most information as possible so you guys can enjoy your trip. Alright, I've got to get back into it. But remember, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you out there on the tracks. Catch you later.